So let me tell you what anticipating the sounds in the music means. Waiting for the sounds in the music, alright? When you dance it, you always have to dance the basic beat. And then, only while doing that, you can match your moves to the sound, okay? But a lot of dancers, when they dance, they anticipate the sound in the music. They don't dance, alright? This is not dance. This is just waiting for the sound. You're missing all the beat, right? Dance to the basic beat, always. And not don't do this, alright? Okay.